Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on inspection rules. What are inspection rules and how to work with? First of all, you may set inspection rules under the RepTool Access users. You will set general rules on warnings regarding the completeness of reports. Setting inspection rules is one part of the administration of the RepTool. At the page Inspection Rules, you will find pre-chosen questions on the completeness of reports. There will be additional warnings which you do not have to choose. For example, if the total weight of first fractions is not 100% compared to the input weight, or if no choice of the use of the component in the final technology has been done. The warnings here under inspection rules are grouped to topics like acceptors and treatment technologies for fractions, warnings on tasks, or on deleted entries. A presetting of requested warnings has been done. You may change this presetting based on your wishes and needs. Consider the choice of more warnings makes the list of inspection warnings for each report longer, but it will help you to find missing data, especially if you need the name of the acceptor, a registered listed acceptor, and or the country or market region for fractions not classified as hazardous waste will depend on the requirements of your national authority. The warning national classification is different from model classification is more for you or the controller, a hint that you or she shall check if correct. How to see results from inspection rules. For each report, you as system user as well as the reporter will see warnings from inspection rules via the automatic inspection. All warnings for a report you will see when you click Inspect. From the list of warnings, you or the reporter may jump to the issue of the warning with the blue arrow, and the reporter might directly do the corrections. He may also see the warnings from inspection in the overview when warnings from automatic inspection is selected, or in the graph by a red frame at the symbol and the text of warning when moving the mouse over the symbol. As I mentioned, inspection rules and warnings shall help to check reports regarding completeness of reports. See also the evaluation feature, which shall help to check the plausibility of chosen entries. Warnings coming from evaluation will be included to the warnings from automatic inspection. Both tools do not replace the individual control of reports, so you may have to set individual controller remarks on issues which cannot be checked by these tools, e.g. if the composition of any not pure fraction is plausible. For more information on the correct use of the RepTool, see the user manuals or the guidance document, Issues of Harmonization at the RepTool website under Information.